Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. It's all about village vlogging. Today I'm going to show you our main farm. It's down there. Here is Granny. She's relaxing as I go to show you our main farm tour. So we are road to 1,000 subscribers. If you're watching us for the first time, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Come with us as we go to the main farm tour. This is our fence. It's made up of lantana camara. I know most of you are familiar with it. Come closer. This is it. So as we enter our farm, we start with this pawpaw tree. This is a pawpaw tree. As you can see, it's not that tall. This is its variety, but it produces very big pawpaws. As you can see, some of them are there. This is another pawpaw right here. You can see it's not that tall, but hey, it produces large pawpaws. Come with me as we go this way. Right here, there are these ones. They are called yams. These vegetables, this is a vegetable garden, as you can see. These veggies, in our local language, we call them omurere. You can comment down in your language what we call this. They are slimy when you cook. They are very slimy. As you can see how green our garden is. I'm in love with this green. This green is extra green. Come with us and stay tuned as we continue with the journey. So in this place of ours, this rocky land of ours, we plant many plants in the same piece of land because we utilize a large area is covered by rocks, so we utilize the little space that we have by planting every species on the same piece. So as we go by, come with me as we go by to see some other things. The sun is scorching, but so guys, there are kales right here. As you can see, they are still young. We just planted them 2 weeks ago. These kales, we call them sukuma wiki in Kiswahili. So you can comment down in your local language how they call them. This one here, sukuma wiki. Then right here we have sugarcane. This right here is sugarcane. There is sugarcane here, and we have also put here tomatoes. These are tomatoes, as you can see. These are tomatoes. So guys, this one here is cassava. We call them muhogo in our local language. Muhogo in our local language. I will show you in one of our videos when we have harvested. Guys, hold on. Remember to subscribe. Please. Remember to support us by subscribing on our videos. This is cassava, and this is the view of our farm. You can see how rocky it is. It's very rocky. So guys, this one right here is a mango tree. It's very much productive, and this area, this place, we dug it. In our previous videos, you can go and watch how we dug this area. We dug it within 3 days. All of this area. These are cassava, muhogo. As you can see, these bananas, when it's ready, I'll share with some of you guys. This is it. I'll even show you how to cook. As you can see, all this is napier grass. We have plenty napier grass for our cows. But though we are not milking, we are yet to start milking. Sun is hot, so this rock is superheating, and standing on it barefooted, it's so hard. So I will go down and find some guavas there. There is this other huge rock here, as I told you. 2 acres of our land is covered with stones, rocks. This is another rock right here. I'm going to get a guava. So guys, this is a guava. It's from this tree. So sweet. Let me come and take you to the downer part of the farm. So we are heading back home, but first we meet this. I don't know how it's called, but we use it to weave baskets and everything when it's dry. Here is our avocado trees. This is one of the avocado. Very sweet, very, very sweet. Hey guys, on this side of the farm we haven't dug yet. After harvesting corns or maize, we have not yet dug. So stay tuned on our next video. We'll show you how we'll dig this place. But first, before we go, come I show you one of my so come I show you some other bananas. I know people in Uganda love bananas. They call them mugoyo. As you can see, this banana, that one there, this one, I love this one because I can't wait. I can't wait. The day I will harvest it, I will show you guys, don't worry. Actually guys, I'm now taking you to the highest point of our farm. This is it. This is the highest point where you can see the view of our neighborhood. If you sit at this point, you can see everywhere. All our surrounding neighbors to all sides of the compound. So you can see our neighbors and other village members. Even okay, I'll tell you that in another video. And by the way, do you know this plant? If you know, comment down below on the comment section. This plant. Comment down below in the comment section. This is it. So guys, this is our vegetable garden. We have planted here cowpeas, this one here, and kales, as I told you, sukuma wiki. Then guys, look at that adorable view over there. It's very adorable. See, this is where I chill when I'm bored, and look at that adorable view right there. But before I leave, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. We are at 20 subscribers, but road to 1,000 subscribers. Share it to your family, friends. Just remember to share, comment, and subscribe. Mostly subscribe. Bye bye guys.